It's proof that an accelerant was used. Enter here if you don't want to come back out alive, right? Yeah.
What did you get yourself, Chris?
There was a murder that happened right over here on this. A murder happened. The body was left here on that bench. Yowza, yowza, yowza.
What did you get yourself, Chris?
Oh shit! What's going on,
Dude? Man, I had one of these things and I sold it and I shouldn't have had.
Of course not.
It's a fucking DT400.
You had a 400, yeah.
Woo. Beautiful bikes though, dude. Big singles.
You know, I like the styling of the older, the twin shock models a little more.
Yeah.
But not either way, you can't go wrong.
I love it. I saw you riding a couple weeks ago and was like, that's gotta be Chris. It's gotta be Chris on that thing, man. It's always something interesting.
It's always something interesting.
Yeah. Just want to pop out, say hi, man.
No. I forgot your name though.
Jared.
It's Jared. Good. Oh yeah, of course, man.
No worries, man.
Hey man, much love.
Much love. God bless.
You too, brother. See you soon. That's how it is up here in the country, folks. See what I'm talking about. What's happening, folks? Peace be unto you, peace be unto the universe, and springtime be amongst us. So anyway, you're in tonight for a special treat. I'm going to introduce you to the trashed and torched houses of Arlington, Washington. All in my neighborhood, there is murder, literally guys, there is murder, mystery, and intrigue to share. And I'm going to be riding my kind of favorite motorcycle, the one I wanted since I was a little kid, the 1979 Yamaha DT250. This is a one-take production because what you see is what you get. So the bike is cold. I'm gonna get suited up, put the strap, you know, and get the GoPro mounted on the chest, and then roll it. Okay, I'm going to tell you the story of this joint right here. I met the owner. He was out sprucing the place up maybe 7 months ago. Those efforts seem to have been inconclusive. But this was like obviously a Spanish type villa. It was a rental at one point, and now it's torched and trashed. And he told me it was black mold and that was an issue. And so here it sits. A very attractive nuisance, isn't it? Enter here if you don't want to come back out alive, right? Yeah. Yowza, yowza, yowza. Yeah, I'm pretty much maxed out right now here. Yeah. Okay, so here we are at destination number 2. Some background here is in order. This bench, in October, there was a body dump at this bench. And there was a woman that was found here, and I never followed up with it a lot, but this is what happened here. And so, I want to say it was September or October. It was just starting to get to be fall when that happened. And for reference point, basically I live right there on top of the hill, straight that way, at the top of the park. So then, at the time, there was, and I find it very interesting that they don't have to post plans. I thought I see a set of plans on this thing from what I'm used to in zoning, but there's not. There's this COVID stuff. Shortness of breath. All of that. Well, that dude looks a little bit like me, I think. Yeah, a little bit. So there was a house right here.
Take a run. Hold my dog for a second. Oh shit, too late. Oh shit, okay, I'm going. Pepper, we're going. Whoa! Get her. Whoa, shit. Whoa, shit.
Which I will look back and try to find the footage of, okay? So I know I could find it, but it was right around in here. And then I would say it was about a month after the body dump. I can't stop saying that. So the body dump, it's not funny. Somebody died, Jesus. So after the body dump, this place caught a fire. And it would look pretty much like the last place we were just at. Hey, these cats are out of here. What's happening, guys? I'm doing a tour of the burnt out and trashed and torched houses here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because remember this one was here?
Yeah.
And so I was talking about the body dump that happened right there.
Oh.
Did you hear about that?
No.
Oh!
It got dumped down here though?
Yeah, a woman was found over there on that bench.
Oh my God.
Right there on that bench.
Jeez.
So that was like September, October.
Yeah.
And then the next came a month later, then this place got torched.
Yeah. I remember this getting tore down.
Uh-huh, right.
Didn't it used to be the old dairy or something?
Years
like that?
ago,
Yeah.
right. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I remember hearing.
Yeah, right. What are you guys' names again?
I'm Amanda.
Amanda, Ed,
And Brody.
and Brody. Good to see you two again. Yeah, we gotta get the bikes out soon.
Yeah.
I like your bike.
Oh, I love my bike.
I gotta get my exhaust. I love that thing too, yeah.
It's so I never ride the other
clean. Yeah, I saw you drive past A&Z the other day on your Ducati, yeah.
one. Once for every now and then, yeah.
Loud as shit. So loud. Sounds really clean.
It is clean. Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
So
We'll have to go on a ride once I get my exhaust on.
bring it on, sister.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
You have a good day, man.
See you guys soon. Okay, we're almost there, folks. Here then are the other properties, okay? Let's see here. All right, this is space number 3. It's always been kind of run down a little bit, you know. This is kind of, there's been stuff here for a while. And yeah, so, I mean, it looks like a house with a good view. I don't know what happened here. I don't have the backstory at all. I've had video of this too on a prior occasion with just the iPhone. There you have that piece. Well, bro, for real, man. Whoa. That's really saying something. So here we are. This is the view out over the park. in that direction. That's what you have. Yeah, so all very interesting. At least to me. I mean, ordinary motherfuckers look at this and they're like, dude, there is no value in this whatsoever. None whatsoever. But I'm a geek. And you're geeking too, because you're right here with me. Kingcast Motorsports, Rolling Black on the Colflex Network. All right, folks, destination number 4, up and coming. Bike pulls really good. What's up with this? Well, all right. I don't know anything about this one. It's been here for some time, obviously. Been here for some time. Boy, you sound really intelligent. Yeah. And so that's my top 4. There could be others lurking, but yeah. I feel like, watching those shows, that crocodile pattern up there, I feel like it's proof that an accelerant was used. Totally. Could be a new career. I mean, I'm already a pyro. So yeah, that's this crib. Well, I'll take it for a loop around it. Take it for a loop around it. Nice tree. Boy, that would be a cool little deck, you know, to look out, kind of, well, sort of. Just trying to add value, I guess. That's me, though, always adding value, looking for the positive in life. And that's what Rolling Black is all about, folks. Keeping it on the positive. Introducing you to issues, places, and concepts that enlighten your spirit. And I'm gonna do the best that I can to bring you the best in quality programming. Ciao, guys.